Hello friends, welcome back to CAD Practice. Today we are going to construct a practice 3D model in Autodesk Inventor software. So let's get started with today's tutorial. Go to new, take a standard part in millimeter and go to create. First we will make this cam profile. So go to sketch and take the XY plane. Go to circle command. From this center point, make a circle of diameter 200 mm. Zoom out. Now go to line. Now we will construct the profile. So take a line outside this circle until here and escape. Now go to line command once again. Make a center line till the center point. Escape. Select this line and change it to center line. Okay. Now go to trim command and trim this profile. Now escape. Go to dimension. This point will be at a diametrical distance of 40 mm and this point will be at a distance of 120. So from this side to this side, this will be 60 and this side also 60. Now this height from the center point will be 12 mm. Okay. Now this is fully defined. Go to mirror command, select this and this. Go to mirror line, select the center line. Apply and done. Now we will trim this profile, this and this. So go to trim this profile and this profile. Go to dimension. Define this again 100 mm. Okay. And this also 100 mm. Okay. Go to fillet. Take a fillet radius of 10 mm. Select this top edge, this side edge, and this edge, and this edge. Okay. Now change the fillet to 30 mm. Select this and this taper line and this horizontal line. Now exit. Now finish sketch. And here go to extrude command. Take a extrude distance of 30 mm. This will be a direction 1 extrude, single direction extrude, and OK. Now we are going to construct this profile. So go to origin, select the YZ plane, go to create sketch, go to line command, make one profile over here and till here and join it. Okay. Now escape. Now go to dimension or first make a center line. Go to line. From this yellow point, make a straight line. Escape. Now go to dimension. This height will be of 45 by 2 and this will be 40 by 2. The distance here will be of 70 mm. Okay. And this total distance of, we will take first this distance as 20. Okay. Escape. Now go to view, visual style, wireframe. You can see the sketch is going inside. So drag it outside. Now go to sketch and take coincident constraint. Select this line and this point. So it is fully defined now. Select this line and make it a construction geometry. This is just for reference. Go to 3D model, revolve. Select this axis as rotation and OK. Okay, we have not changed this dimension. So this total distance here will be of 60 mm and finish sketch. Okay. Now go to view, visual style, back to shaded edges. So we have completed this face. Now we will make this face or these profiles. Similarly, go to YZ plane once again, go to create sketch, and this time go to line command, and here we will start from this center point. Okay, take a straight line here, escape, go to dimension, give this total distance as 390 mm. Okay, now go to line, start profile from here, one step and one more step. Okay, join till this face and join here, so it will be a closed profile. Now go to dimension. Here first we will give the least dimension. First select this line, make it a center line. Go to dimension. This dia here will be of 60 mm. This second dia will be of 85 mm, and this dia will be of 100 mm. Okay, now we will define the distance. So this distance will be of 90, this distance will be of 85. So this will be the complete profile. Now go to 3D model, revolve. So it will automatically revolve around this axis, and okay. Now we will construct this cutout profile and this profile, this chamfer profile. So first select this face, go to create sketch, and here go to circle command. Select this center point, make a circle of dia 65. Go to 3D model, extrude, flip the direction to cut, and take here a distance of 213 mm. So this will be the cut profile inside. Okay. Now select this edge, go to chamfer. Here we will take the two distance chamfer. The distance 1 will be of 10 mm and distance 2 will be of 40. Okay, select this edge once again. Okay, so this will be distance 1 10 and distance 2 of 40. So it will make a taper profile inside. You can see the taper profile, and okay. Now rotate. Okay, you can see the two dias are being shown here due to taper profile. Now we will make this side cut. For side cut, we will select the top plane, the YZ plane, go to create sketch, go to view, visual style, change it to wireframe to make it more visible. So you can see here the cut profile and the chamfer profile. Go to sketch, take the 2-point center rectangle, this 2-point center rectangle, and here make the rectangle profile. Go to dimension, the width here will be of 60 and this height here will be of 115 mm. The distance from this face will be of 40 mm. Now go to 3D model, extrude, go to view, visual style, change it to shaded edges. Here we will take a symmetric extrude and take here cut, and okay. So a cut profile will be made here. Now select this edge, go to fillet, take here a fillet radius of 15 mm, this also 15 mm, rotate, this and this also 15 mm, and apply. Now change the fillet radius to 5 mm, go to edge selection, select this edge and this edge, select here, select this joining profile and this joining profile, okay, and apply. Now exit, go to 3D model, take here chamfer and go to equal distance chamfer, and here give a distance of 5 and select this edge, rotate and apply. Okay, exit. Now as you can see here, a cosmetic thread is been applied. So from here select thread and select this diameter. So a cosmetic thread will be applied automatically and okay. Okay. Now we will define the color or the appearance. From here we will take the metal 1400 F hot, and for inner profiles select this face and select this inner face. Okay, and from here change it to chrome polished and select this inner face also, change it also to chrome polished, select chrome polished. Okay, so I hope this is complete. So this was a basic tutorial to how to construct a 3D part design in Autodesk Inventor software. I hope you like the video. If you do that, please do hit like and subscribe the channel for more such videos. Thank you.